I will talk about how can you enable dark mode on your Lim app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do inverse. So you just go here above this sign, you click on it. So then it's going to show for you a list like this here. Then all you have to do next, you just click on settings here, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to next here. It's going to show for you like this. You come to display theme here, just click on it. Then it's going to show for you like this here. Then you just click on dark here, just click on it. So then here automatically here it's going to change with you to dark mode on your Lim app. So that's all you have to do. I wish know you I get it. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.